So how to get an Airbnb refund and how long does it actually take Airbnb to refund? Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a full or partial refund from Airbnb or issue one as a host. Now you can get a complete or partial refund as an Airbnb guest or issue one as an Airbnb host. Before you request a refund from your Airbnb host, be sure to review the host cancellation policy. Any refund issues between a host and guest that can't be resolved between 72 hours can be submitted to Airbnb's Resolution Center for mediation. Now, in a perfect world, there would never be a need for an Airbnb host to issue their guests a refund, but in the real world, plans change all the time for all sorts of reasons, and sometimes those pristine pictures posted on a website aren't the most accurate representation of a property. In other words, refunds are going to be a part of the Airbnb experience. Fortunately, assuming both hosts and guests are working in good faith, getting a refund from Airbnb is a pretty easy process. To make things as easy as possible on yourself, don't book a stay until your dates are locked and you have thoroughly vetted the property. If you realize the rental won't work, cancel it as soon as possible. So how to get a refund in Airbnb? To request a refund outside the grace period, which is usually 14 days before your rental period begins, the first step is to message the host. This creates a log that Airbnb employees can reference later if you can't work things out peer-to-peer. Now, most rentals can be cancelled without fee for up to 48 hours after the booking is made. If you can't work things out with your host, go to the Airbnb Resolution Center. I'll make sure to drop a direct link of the Resolution Center down in the description box. Then after that, you have to simply click on the request money button, as you could see in this case as well. You can have the Airbnb service fee waived 3 times annually for cancelled reservations. After that, you will have to pay a fee. Then click on the reservation in question. You can now click the view details button and then click to request a refund. If you encounter any issues with the online system, you can call Airbnb at 1-855-424-7262 for further assistance. Now, how to send a refund on Airbnb? In the case that you are a host and a guest has requested a refund prior to their stay, you go to your reservations page and select the rental in question, then simply click the option called Issue Refund and confirm the action. For guests requesting refunds during or after a stay as a result of some issue, you should first discuss the amount to be returned, and you will then need to use the Resolution Center. Once there, click on the reservation in question and then under it, select a reason. You can click Offer Partial Reimbursement. Enter the amount agreed upon, the currency, and a message will submit the refund. Once the guest accepts the refund, it will be processed within 48 hours. And that's all it takes to answer your question as to how long does it take to actually get an Airbnb refund. As I said, usually 14 days. Sometimes if it's quick, then within the 48-hour window. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.